Hey everybody, this is Joanna from Guardline Security. Merry almost Christmas. Today we're going to be talking about your Guardline Wireless Driveway Alarm, and we're going to take you step by step through this quick start guide. Now, this quick start guide comes in every sensor and receiver kit, and I'm going to be taking you step by step and showing you just how easy it is to pair your sensor to your receiver. Alright, we're back. We got our Guardline system unboxed. We have our quick start guide ready to go. The first thing it tells us to do is to put batteries inside the sensor. So if you notice, right on the front of the sensor, there are 4 holes. These 4 holes is where you want to put your screwdriver in to open up the front of the sensor. So I'm going to do that really quick. Okay, so we got the screws out of our sensor. We're going to put them over here, keep them safe. They're really small and really easy to lose. And your sensor comes apart like this. So this is your mounting plate, and then this is the back of your sensor. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my 4 AA batteries inside my sensor. Now, if it's winter or you live in a place with really colder temperatures, anything below freezing, you're going to want to make sure you use lithium batteries. And the reason being is lithium batteries just can withstand colder temperatures much better than alkaline ones can. So if you are in those temperatures, keep that in mind and make sure you purchase some lithium batteries, and it'll definitely help your sensor out. So, got my batteries in, my sensor's flashing red, we're ready to pair. Alright, so I have some batteries in my sensor. I'm all ready to go to pair up my sensor to my receiver. If for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to put the mounting plate back in the sensor. If you want to know how to do that, you're just going to put the screws that you have right back into the 4 holes, and it comes right together like this. So, I have my sensor, I have my receiver, and I'm ready to pair. Now, if you notice on your receiver, there's 3 buttons here. We're going to be looking for Learn next. We're going to press and hold that one for 3 seconds. So I have my receiver turned on. I'm going to press and hold Learn mode for 3 seconds until the number 1 lights up. So number 1's lighting up. I'm going to choose my melody. And I like that one, so I'm going to wave my hand in front of the sensor, turn it back on, and let's see if it worked. Alright, so there you have it. I showed you how to put batteries inside your sensor following our quick start guide. I showed you how to pair your sensor to your receiver. And if you want to see how to then set up your sensor up on the post, check out our video next week. David, Simon, and I are going to go outside. We're going to show you guys some ideal tips and tricks for when you're setting up your sensor outside. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, please sound off in the comments. We love to hear from our customers. You can always find our contact information in our YouTube descriptions. Thank you so much, you guys. Happy holidays. Stay safe out there.